Yo, 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 getting ready before going to the gym. First basher of the day. Okay lang yan kasi cute naman siya. So, hello everyone. I am at the store. I'm buying some banana. By the way guys, their banana is so cheap lang guys. You can buy it here. At Dumaguete, downtown, eating some banana. It's so sweet though. One banana before gym. What? And finally, nasa gym na, but ito lang yung vid ko.